how to subtract integers. In order to subtract integers, you must know something called add the opposite. If you know how to add integers, you pretty much know 80 to 85% on how to subtract integers. You need to rewrite the subtraction expression into an addition expression. So it's called adding the opposite. So you keep the first number, you turn the subtraction to an adding, and then you do the opposite of the second number. Opposite of 4 is negative 4. So I keep 7, add opposite of 4, negative 4. Okay, so what's 7 minus 4? 3. What's 7 plus negative 4? Also 3. They're equivalent. Is negative 3 minus 5 equivalent to negative 3 plus negative 5? Let's see. I keep negative 3, add the opposite. What's the opposite of 5? Negative 5. So what is negative 3 plus negative 5? Negative 8. And what's negative 3 minus 5? Also negative 8. So let's see why. So if you, we can represent it on a number line. So we start off 0. We go 5 units to the right. And minus 2 means you go back 2. Or 2 units to the left. So we're at 3. You could represent it with tiles. So we have 5 positives. I need to take away 2 of the positives. So we have 3. We can rewrite 5 minus 2 into an addition expression. To rewrite an addition, add opposite, add opposite of 2 is negative 2. 5 plus negative 2 is also equal to 3. What if we have negative 3? Let's use our model. You have 3 negatives. I need to take away 4 negatives. Can I take away 4 negatives from this? I don't have enough. So in order to take 4 negatives, do you remember 0 pairs? If we add 0 pairs, nothing's happening. So we need to add 4 0 pairs. Now, can I take away 4 negatives from this? Yes, I can take away these 4 negatives. So what do I have left? As you can tell, I started with negative 3. I am adding 4 positives to it, which equals 1. This proves add opposite works. So again, you start with negative 3, keep it. You add it. What's the opposite of negative 4? 4. Negative 3 plus 4 equals 1. How would you represent this on a number line? I start at 0. I go to negative 3 minus negative 4. Remember, in our absolute value, this negative right here, or minus, is telling you the opposite. What's the opposite of negative 4? 4. So I need to go 4 units to the right of negative 3. So I'm at 1. Let's try one last example. Let's use our number line. So I start at 0. I go to 3 units to the right. Minus negative 5. So opposite of negative 5 is 5 units. So I go 5 units to the right, and the answer is 8. What if I would like to model it? So I need 3 positives. Can I take away 5 negatives from this? I don't have any negatives to take away. So we need to add some 0 pairs. We need to add 5 0 pairs to this. So I add 5 0 pairs. Now can I take away 5 negatives? Yep, take away these 5 negatives. Delete. So as you can tell, I added to it. So I start off with 3. I added 5 units. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. And using add opposite, does it work? I keep 3, add it. What's the opposite of negative 5? 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's how you subtract integers.